Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line here is coming from, and that's definitely a very important level now going into today's video because it has helped us answer the question regarding this price movement a couple days ago right here, which any rational person would agree that was a very, very nice move on the bulls' part. But the follow-up question becomes, but is there any sort of true power behind it, or is that just a dead cat bounce? Well, we got our answer today, and that was just a flat-out dead cat bounce. What gives me the right to say that was a dead cat bounce? Well, I'm assuming, and I state the obvious when I say, well, if it wasn't a dead cat bounce and it did have genuine power behind it, well, then the price is going to make progress forward. The price isn't going to go back to where it was, and that's what happened today. The price is now literally sitting below and back inside the channel that the price has already been in. Now, can the price, get something new started? Can the bulls put together a new bounce? Yeah, absolutely. I'm not saying that's impossible or anything. But as far as this price action is concerned, that was a dead cat bounce because the price is now right back to where it all started. And, this is not really a bold proclamation on my part. I'm assuming I state, I speak for many when I say this, but I wouldn't be shocked at all to see this one just continue to drift back down to where it all started, down around the $1.05 mark. Again, if you follow this one for a while, you'll understand what I mean when I say that. That's not exactly a bold, statement on my part, because this one over time just, makes great moves up, which is why I love to follow it. But all, great moves up have just, been eventually followed by the price just, drifting back into oblivion. So with that being said, the newest area of resistance is right here at $1.35. In the event the price does start to, come down to the downside here, the next level of support right here at, what is that, $1.20. Now, if the price falls below $1.20, at that point in time, that is literally putting the price back down to this range right here, which was where the, the initial breakout started, right there when it, started to, show some upwards price movement, and then from there the rest was history. So if you're one of those, no, I want to cut the bulls a little bit of slack. I want to give them a little bit more wiggle room. In my opinion, okay, fine. The must hold level then becomes $1.20. For me, it's already been, proven to be a dead cat bounce. But if you do want to give the bulls a little bit more slack to prove that this is not a dead cat bounce, then I would use $1.20 as that mark. But any sort of closes in separation of the downside of $1.20, then it is, signed, sealed, and delivered as a total dead cat bounce and, a total failure on the bulls' part. But we'll see what happens with it and see how the bulls close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.